guys, welcome back to Magic 3D Printing. This episode we're not doing a review or anything. What we are doing is announcing a giveaway. Now a lot of you guys know that for quite a while I've been a proponent of Magigoo. This stuff is fantastic. I mean, there's lots of reasons I like it. The stuff, number one, lasts forever. When you use Magigoo, doing an application to the print bed, it's going to last for at least 5 or 6 prints. Personally, I'm lazy, so when I see that a piece isn't sticking any longer, I just reapply it to the bed without removing the old Magigoo. It's very easy to clean. The stuff comes off with just water. So when you do finally decide that you want to clean it and put a fresh application on, just take it to the sink, rinse the stuff off, let it dry, dry the glass, and reapply it. Plus also, there's no mess with this stuff. You literally use an applicator on the end of the bottle, and it goes on really easy. So you're not doing any sprays. Now I used a hairspray for almost a year, but to be honest with you, I had to take it off every single time that I wanted to spray because I didn't want to get it on the equipment or in the fans. And of course, cleaning it off hairspray is easy, but using it is not as easy as using the Magigoo. Also, what's nice is if you think you've got a failed print coming up, you can actually apply this stuff hot, so you don't have to wait till the bed's cooled down to actually use it. The stuff bonds amazingly well. When your print starts up and that bed is at like 60 degrees, this stuff bonds like it is cemented to the glass. When this glass cools off, if your bed is well leveled like it always should be, most of my pieces are literally sitting right there for me just simply to pick up off the glass. The stuff is truly amazing. So it has great release power. Now, a normal bottle, this is the bottle that I typically use. This is my own personal bottle. I've been using this stuff for months now, and it is at least probably 85% full, and I use this on multiple printers. But this is a standard size bottle of Magigoo that you typically buy for about $20 on Amazon. The bottle that we're giving away today is a little different. We are giving away a jumbo bottle of Magigoo. This thing is huge. So compared to the 1.69 ounce, this is a 4 ounce. And so as long as this has lasted me, this would probably last me for the rest of my life. So this stuff is great. Now, so you're probably asking, how do I get into the contest? Very, very easy. All you've got to do is, number one, is subscribe. Number two, like this video that you're watching currently. And number three, place a comment below. Whatever you think is appropriate. If it's give me the goo or whatever you want to do, but place a comment below. And that way I'll know if somebody is a current subscriber who isn't really interested in this particular product, then they don't have to enter the contest. There are a few restrictions because of postage and customs. The drawing is limited to the U.S. And Canada only. This is going to start today, March 16th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So probably by the time you see this video, the contest will have started. It's going to end April 15th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. It's 1 entry per person, so if I see duplicates, that's not going to go into the hat, so to speak. The winner will be chosen within 3 days of the end of the contest, and you'll be notified one of a couple of ways. I'll put a post on this video. We'll try to contact the person by email, and I'll probably do a follow-up video announcing the winner. So that's it, guys. If you want to try Magigoo and you want to try it in a big way, this is your opportunity to get a huge bottle of this stuff. And believe me, once you try it, you're not going back to hairspray, glue, or anything else you've been using. So good luck to everybody. I hope you win. Take care.